My name is Vaibhav Seth and now I'm going to explain about the topic outsourcing business. Do you know why I like this topic very much? Because I was completely surprised by the working of organizations to achieve their business goals. With the help of outsourcing, business organizations are reducing their costs and putting more focus on core business goals and planning for the business organization. Now, what is outsourcing? Outsourcing is a business practice of hiring a party outside a company to perform services and creates goods in-house by the company's own employees and their own staffs. Outsourcing was first recognized as business strategy in the year 1989 and became an integral part of business economics in the year 1990s. Introduction. Outsourcing is one of the major components for the business planning companies for participating in national or the international markets. According to Leo, the companies are expecting large amount of values in the business. Outsourcing in business has two important components. The one is productivity and skills and the another one is business process outsourcing. And I will explain both of these components one by one. The first one is productivity and skills. Outsourcing is totally dependent on productivity and skills according to Korcher. Sometimes outsourcing proves to be very helpful for the companies to achieve goals and to acquire as many as investing possibilities. To achieve favorable goals of outsourcing, companies need to be more focused on the skills. And the second one is business process outsourcing. Business process outsourcing is a method of subcontracting business-related operations to the third-party vendors. Business process outsourcing include following types of activities like customer support, call answering, third-party verification, telemarketing services, IT help desk, etc. Overall, it can be said that the concept of outsourcing in business is based on productivity and skills, which requires some experience to achieve the organizational goals. The companies who wants to become more successful in near future adopted the technique of outsourcing in business. Most importantly, outsourcing is key element for the business to provide services for the company. The last slide is of references from where I have taken all these resources.